Adams Pro by Skylink Group motor. This is how you set the limits and force settings. We'll start off by unplugging the unit just to start fresh. Wait a couple seconds and plug it back in. All right, now we're ready to go. You got 3 buttons up here, up, down, and set. We're gonna hold the set button for a couple seconds until you see in there the number 1. A little hard to see on that screen. There's a number 1. Now we can go ahead and program the door to go up. There's an up arrow right there. I'm gonna hold it and bring my door up where I want it. You can always adjust it if you want to go down a little bit or come back up. In this case, that's where I like it. So after I get it where I want, you're gonna hit the set button one time and let go. You're gonna see the number 2. Again, hard to see on that screen. There's a number 2 in there. Now we're gonna come down, the down arrow. Hold it till it goes down. Just a good rule to practice is never let the door go down and slam on the floor. I always bring it down and then I let go just before it hits the ground. And then I slowly bring it down by touching the arrow, the down setting. I touch it a couple times to bring the door down slowly. What I don't want to do is I don't want to bend that rail when the door hits the ground. All right, that's as much as we're going to get because it's already bending. A little bit of daylight on the outside, but you can always fix that with trim. All right, so once you do that, you're gonna go ahead again and hit your set button. It's gonna flash a couple times like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and set your force settings. Just gonna press the wall button. Right there. Now it's programming the force settings. We'll let it open and then we'll close it again once it opens all the way. And now we'll do the close. Force settings when it closes. And that's it. Got your beep. Let's test it one time. And we're all set. That's how you set the limits and force settings on an Adams Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.